I need to get rice. A minute, guys. Hi, Diglon! Double tap the screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you. Last night, I was bad attack in you or Orleans, 10 killed and 30 hurt. What? Why? Why? You sure? Ano? I need to return the table to nanay. My rice, I cook rice good for 2 meals, brunch and dinner, but I finish all the rice I cook. It's American, there always something. Oh my gosh. Lucky you are safe. Thanks God. Trendy, did you wash your hand? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Oh my God, may stomach again. Maybe I need to poops again. Ay, kunti lang yun. Kunti lang sahod ko. Nasa 20 lang yun. Nakaraan, kunti lang sahod ko. December yun ang pinakakunti ko na sahod. Bukod sa first sahod ko, yun yung pinakakunti talaga. Yun yung pinakakunti. Ewan ko kasi nung November, wala akong viewers. How are you? He ran people over his truck. Oh. I'm okay, Jan. Thank you for asking. Host, you blow plastic bag now, please. Why? You send super sticker. Then I will blow plastic bag. Warainan pala si Erwin Tolpo. Hindi ko alam. Bakit? Mexi, Gen Z, No? So hungry, yeah. Nothing free, lol. Send super sticker first.